The fight against the drug crisis is going high-tech. Hundreds of ideas poured in from around the world last year after Ohio announced that $20 million was being committed to finding technology-based solutions to the opioid epidemic. And today, after the first phase of the Opioid Technology Challenge, 5 winners were announced. NBC4's Ted Hart is live tonight with a look at some of the promising new ideas. Ted?
Well, and the idea of the state soliciting technology-based solutions to the opioid epidemic first surfaced during the governor's State of the State speech last year. The winners today took home prize money of $10,000 each, but this is really just the beginning. One of the award-worthy ideas came from a Cincinnati company called Kinametechs. Augmented reality goggles are used as part of an interactive coaching system to improve physical rehabilitation after surgery.
It's going to tell the patient, okay, you are about to experience some pain. Okay, now you better start, move. For example, if it's a hand surgery, move your arm a little bit.
Better physical rehab should reduce a patient's need for prescription pain medications and lessen the risk of addiction. Jackie Lewis knows firsthand how badly new ideas are needed. Her son has struggled with drug addiction for several years.
I just had a lot of hope that there would be new things come soon that could give people like my son and others that are struggling that immediate help they need.
Another of the winning ideas came from University of Dayton researcher Kelly Cashin that suggests patients who can see their own brain activity in real time can learn to control the effects of addiction and speed up their recovery. Third Frontier Chairman David GOODMAN says the results of this idea phase will be used to generate certain specific questions moving forward,
which will take us on to the next phase for submission to be able to find solutions that will be more near-term and able to be invested in to find a way to save lives.
And among the other winning ideas today was an app for medical professionals to use to do risk assessments to help flag and identify patients that might be at risk of addiction. Local for you in Columbus, Ted Hart, NBC4.
All right.